Alright, so here is the final product of the trunk area with the SoundSkin. So I covered almost all the spaces here, and also inside as well. You can see some of them are there. I also have some right here. I might do some on that side as well. Why is it something chewing on it? I don't know. And also I have done the back side of there as well. So yeah. So hopefully this will get rid a lot of drone noises behind the muffler. And I also added some foam to this piece because this was really thin. So this add another layer of sound. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, the one without the SoundSkin and the one with the SoundSkin, there's not much of a difference in the cabin noises. They're around the same kind of decibel levels, but when you are in the car, you do notice a slight difference in noise reduction with the SoundSkin. And so in terms of the cabin noises, it's around the same, but what improved is the stereo sound from the speakers on the car. It used to sound a little bit echoey, but now it's more kind of like there's a lot more bass to the sounds coming from the speakers now. So I guess it's a lot better when you're listening to music. So when you're listening to music in the car, it makes a huge difference. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And also we have merch on here. Click the link below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on our next video. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.